So I just wanted to quickly share what I'm working on for the pen plotter. It's a calibration pad, and what it's for when the pen change happens and I need to calibrate the X and the Y directions. Yeah, and when you're done, you can push play, like go, and I can also use this button as like a break, and this one to continue the print if something happens halfway that I don't want. And it's not finished yet, but it's quite okay. Yeah, so I have these wires, and they will go into yeah, actually I should have said that I'm back to using an SKR 1.4 with a Raspberry Pi, and these will go into the Pi, and I'll connect them to the GPIO pins to be able to control the machine with these buttons that I 3D printed myself. I drew them up like yesterday, and they work really well. So they use GPIO controls, and what they do is they send G-code so that they trigger a response on the Raspberry Pi. I'm using Octoprint, and Octoprint sends G-code to the control board of the printer, to the SKR 1.4. So I can send whatever G-code I want, actually. So yeah, it's a very flexible system. I haven't tested it yet. I think I'm gonna cry if it doesn't work, but I'm counting on it for it to work. So, alright, that's all for now. I'm gonna eat, and then I'm going to put all this together, hopefully today, and yeah, we'll be kicking it. It's gonna be really cool. I redesigned the whole pen holder system. So it's using a Festool linear rail now, which is like super tight. I changed the Z motor for a light model, like a pancake stepper motor. It's so that shaved off another 100 grams of the weight of the carriage. Yeah, I guess the next step is gonna be to actually replace all the 3D printed parts with either aluminium parts or beefier 3D printed parts. And yeah, just a few more small changes, and I think it'll be a wrap. And it might just be the first machine that I've ever like really finished. So I'm very proud of that. Proud of myself. Yeah, strange to say that of yourself, but yeah, I'm very happy with it. So it's been a long year so far, and well, I hope to be able to show you some results really soon. And I also made a kind of a board to put the pens on, as you can see here. And it already shows a tiny preview. Let me show you. It's this one. I'm going to try and do wood engraving with this one. I don't know if the tool is good, but well, once I have the machine up and running again, I'll try to do some wood burns, and yeah, try to make some patterns with that. It's gonna be really awesome. All right, bye.